Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can hide the notch at the Huawei Y6 and Y7 in the version of 2019. So first of all, it depends on your taste. Let me show you how we can change it. Let's go to the settings then we go on display, and if we go on more display settings, we have here the point notch. And if you tap now notch, you have here the one with the notch, and the second one will now darken the surrounding area next to the notch. And for me, I can read now better the watch and also the notification symbols and so on and so on. But it really depends on your taste. Okay, let me show you one more time. So this is with the dark, and this is with the notch, dark, notch. So choose the one you like. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could help you with it. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe at the next time. Ciao.